guess what? We're inside the house and we're actually gonna start doing some renovations of stuff that people are gonna see.
That's exciting.
If you're wondering, what are we doing? So here's the plan. I've got a very extensive kitchen remodel that's planned. We're gonna take out some walls, put in some stuff, do some stuff, move some other stuff. It's gonna be pretty epic. We're not doing that today. What we're gonna start today is the cheap kitchen renovations. Yes! So the cheap kitchen renovation is basically paint, new counters, paint on the cabinets down below and up top, and a few other things. We're gonna try to do this as cheap as possible just to get the kitchen a little bit nicer for the next 4 or 5 years probably. So this is gonna be slamming DIY. So if you are looking forward to that kind of stuff, follow along. We're starting now. Day 1. How much of everybody else's day is spent trying to figure out where you put your tools? It worked.